practitioners. You know what 3D really stands for? There's three components. Determine the causes. I described what that was about. Then destroy those causal factors with the targeted precision injected medicines. And the third part is to develop your healing as a byproduct of the treatment that will continue as I go home and recuperate and allow the calcifications to come out and my prostate to shrink. It's an absolute miracle. There's nowhere else on the planet that does this. It's an amazing place. The city of where I am is about an hour and a half westward inland from Shanghai. It's a city of about 3 million people. The other clinic, there's two clinics. There's one up in Changsha, which is where the airport is, an hour away, and that's, I think, 5 million people or 7 million people there. So between the two clinics, I can only talk about this city here. It's completely safe. I hardly ever see a policeman. They don't even wear guns or anything. I've never felt any anxiety, day or night, walking anywhere. I go anywhere all the time. Yeah, it's an adventure being here. It's very different. There's very little English. But I stay at the MGM 5-star hotel, which I highly recommend because it's about a half an hour, 40-minute walk to and from the clinic. And walking is really good to do when you're at the clinic because it moves your energy and it's good after your treatments. So a good walk there and back, and sometimes I go along the park, and it's very, very helpful. And the hotel is very clean, it's modern. The only problem is internet in China is slow. At the clinic, they've got a virtual public network that speeds things up and you can get onto Google, but normally you can't use Google here, you gotta use Yahoo or something else. Google's not in the good books in China at the moment. Other than that, if you're looking for something that will truly heal your prostate problem, this is the place. And I'm just ecstatic. I've been reborn. I can't wait to get home. It's been such a joy to be able to eat whatever I want. The only criteria now I use is try to keep it healthy, but nothing causes a reaction anymore. I don't have to worry about using catheters. I can eat anything, and I'm going to update my books and my websites with all this new information because I want people to know about this clinic. It's an enlightening, transformational experience. And if you're looking for something that's different, that's not harmful, it's not going to leave you with side effects, it's not going to cause you to have regrets after, this is the place. Everybody here that I've seen will vouch for this. You read some of the other testimonials, they're for real. This place is no pretense, no, very simple, very clean. The equipment is sterilized every day. The needles are all pre-packaged, one use, thrown away. Everything is completely safe. The government standards here are as high as back home in terms of cleanliness and so on. It's inspected here. I've never had an issue with any of the equipment or any of the ways they're doing things. It's you're in wonderful hands here. It's a dedicated team. They work 7 days a week, 11 months of the year. And you need treatments every day for your period. If you're not sure about coming, you can come for an examination, and you can then decide if, from what they say from the examination, if you want to stay or not. One thing I liked about it, they didn't ask for any money up front. Like you pay during the first week or at the end of the first week. So I felt, okay, there's not a lot of risk to come here other than the travel time and all of that and the hotel and the air flight. I decided to come and no regrets. So I wish you well in your journey on your prostate hunt and hope that this helps you in your decision making. And if need be and you need to contact me, you can do it through the clinic. Take care now.